honestly, ito parang feeling ko, paulit-ulit na lang. But you really have to know your priorities. You have to manage your time properly. Make sure, you just have to make sure you know your priorities. Kahit po sa atin, sa inyo, kailangan alam din natin yung priorities natin. Kasi minsan may magagawa tayo mga bagay na parang sayang sa oras dahil hindi natin alam kung ano ba talaga ang priority natin. Most especially, I think most of us, medyo dito, pag-scroll sa social media, hindi natin alam, isang oras na tayo, 2 oras na tayo. And that's something na hindi naman din talaga natin priority. Hindi ko po alam. I don't know with you guys. Pero sa iba, for sure priority nila yon kasi yun yung job nila. But for other people na may iba rin job and priorities, syempre hindi natin. Parang, it will cost us too much kasi if we spend so much time on like just scrolling and not learning also. It's not healthy for all of us. So yun, just knowing your priorities and making sure na actually just be honest with yourself din. Kung ano yung kailangan, ano ba yung dapat. Kasi minsan, syempre, jaded din talaga with all the things, all the noises na meron dito ngayon because of social media.